exercise 2, maybe you can try question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 10 for the time being. Okay. Okay, we just look a little bit on the concept for additive rule of probability. Okay, and then we stop lah. Yeah. Tak sempat buat slide, sorry. Okay, so this is the concept for additive rule of probability. So again, we will also use the concept for Venn diagram. So as we mentioned earlier, if we have set A, also set S is your sample space, and then set A, if A prime is your complement, okay, which is probability of A prime is equals to 1 minus probability of A. Okay. So again, if we draw a Venn diagram, okay, we already learned about this one. You have A union B. Okay, we read as A union B. So this is the symbol. Let's look at it. Yes, you can see. Yeah. Okay, so this one, so again you have A union B. So this one is, okay, right, as A union B. So we read as A union B, which is means A or B. Okay, set A or set B or both. Okay, so the other one is we have A intersect with B. So A intersect with B is the intersection. Okay, just here. So A intersect with B. So if we apply the additive rule of probability, so probability of A union B is just have probability of A plus probability of B minus intersection. Okay. Normally during your SPM, the formula is given. Okay. But for foundation, but again, since you have online test, okay, online test, so you still can refer to the formula. So, but normally if you join for first year, second year, please just memorize the formula, okay, because you will always use that additive rule of probability. So if we have probability A union B, you just have probability of A plus probability of B minus intersection. Okay, so that one we call as additive rule of probability. Set A ataupun set B atau kedua-duanya. Okay, there is some proving how we get this formula. Proving, you will learn for those who want to take a degree in industrial math, you will learn that one in mathematical statistics, where we have one chapter for, again, probability theory. Okay, so that one you need to know how to prove and get this formula. Okay, so the next one, if A and B are mutually exclusive event, maksudnya peristiwa saling eksklusif. Okay, so the intersection is equals to intersect. So A intersect B is equals to intersect. And if you want to find probability A intersect B is equals to 0 lah. Okay, because A tidak bersilang dengan set B. Okay, there is no intersection. That is the term that you need to know. Okay, what is the additive rule of probability? Okay, what is A and B? Mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event, when you find probability A intersect B is equals to 0. So you need to know that definition. So let's say we refer to example 2.14. So in a math class of 50 students, okay, 27 are boys, 23 are girls. So on a unit test, 14 boys and 15 girls meet an A grade. Okay, so grade A kita ada 14 boys, 15 girls. So if a student is chosen at random from the class, okay, probability kita ambil sampel secara rawak. So that's why a student is chosen at random from the class. So what is the probability of choosing a girl or an A student? A girl, dan juga dia student yang mendapat grade A. Okay, we have the keywords here is or. Okay, first you need to find the probability. So compute the probability of girl. Okay, girl, you have 23 out of your total number of your sample space is 15. Okay, A grade, yang dapat A, kita ada 14 boys plus probably 15 Okay, 15 girls. Okay, so 14 plus 15 which is 29. Okay, girl yang dapat A grade. Okay, girl yang dapat A grade is just 15. Okay, so write the symbol. You want to write G for girl, A for A lah. Okay, G intersect A, you have 15 over 15. So you want to find is probability of G union A. So that's mean you write the formula. Probability of G plus probability of A minus intersection. So G you already have 23 out of 50, A 29, girl and get A is 15 over 50. Then you get 37 out of 50. So then this one we apply additive rule of probability. Okay, so keywords here just or. Okay, or additive rule of probability. So that's mean yeah, kita ada G plus A minus intersection. Okay, so the same thing here. Okay, you have a glass jar contains 2 red, 4 green, 3 blue, 5 yellow. So if a single marble is present at random from the jar, what is the probability that it is red or blue? So altogether you have 2 plus 4, 6, 9 plus 5, which is 15. Okay, so red or blue, so R union B. So probability of R plus probability of B minus intersection. So red, okay, red ada berapa semua? So 2 out of 14. Blue, you have 3 out of 14. Red and blue tak ada kan? Okay, so minus 0, which is 5 over. Okay, so that one plus. Okay, sampai plus 2.14. Okay, plus 2.13. Okay, on festival day, the probability of a person having a car is 0.08. The probability of a person driving while using handphone is 0.22. And probability of a person having a car accident while using handphone is 0.14. What is the probability of a person driving while using handphone or having a car accident? Faham tak soalan dia? Okay. So kita nak cari person to driving ketika menggunakan telefon while using handphone or dia having a car accident. Okay, first you came out, okay, tuliskan dulu apa info yang kita ada. So let's say probability of C, car accident. Probability of C is what? 0.08. The probability of person driving while using handphone 0.22. The person driving using handphone, kita masih tulis apa? English lah katakan driving while using handphone is 0.18. Okay, and probability of person having a car accident while using handphone. Okay. Car accident and using handphone. CH lah ya. CH is 0.14. Okay, you want to find quality of person driving while using handphone or having a car accident. So that's mean you have probability of driving while using a car or having a car accident. Okay, if you want to write another symbol, you can use another symbol. Okay. Okay, so you have you will have 0.22. Okay. And the next one, you have having a car accident. So having a car accident and also driving and Okay, the answer you should get 0.16. Okay, so that's mean you will have probability of katakan DH. If you want to write in terms of symbol, DH, you will see down below. Okay, so you will have apply back your additive rule of probability. So probability of DH plus probability of C minus driving while using handphone and having a car accident, which is 0.14. So that's minus 1 plus probability of C minus ini seperti apa sebenarnya? CH tadi kan? Okay, CH. So that's mean you have 0.22 plus C, which is 0.08 minus 0.14. Then you get 0.16. Okay. So again, we apply additive rule of probability. So we use the information that already written in the question. So first, just define a symbol that you want to use. So let's say having a car accident, you already have 0.08. Driving while using handphone, 0.22. And having a car accident while using handphone. So maksudnya dia driving lah. Driving, ada car accident dan juga menggunakan handphone, which is 0.14. Okay. Mungkin saya punya simbol tu tak berapa nak tepat sangat. Okay. So what is the probability of person driving while using handphone or having a car accident? So you want to find union. Okay, driving while using handphone or having a car accident. So it should be probability of driving plus probability of having a car accident minus driving while using handphone and having a car accident. So that's why you get 0.16 here. Okay. Okay, the last one. So the same thing here. Or additive rule of probability. So the probability of a university student owning a vehicle is 0.7, handphone 0.81, both 0.56. So a student is chosen at whether what is the probability that student owns a handphone or a vehicle. Okay. So just extract dia punya information. So katakan probability V will have 0.7. Handphone 0.81. Both maksudnya V intersect with H, which is 0.56. So now having handphone or vehicle. So handphone union okay. Probability of H plus probability of V minus the section lain. Okay, minus your intersection. Okay. So again, in here you have 0.81 plus 0.7 minus 0.56. So you get that one. So 0.81. Okay, so you get 0.25. Okay, so that is the concept for additive rule of probability. Ini ada berapa soalan tu? Okay, yang the rest tu I think I will teach after the cuti hari raya, which is next week. So we will continue our class on next Monday, which is on 17.